Santa Claus is once again coming to town, and the Christmas season is upon us. If you need some help for Christmas gifts, here are some of the best gift ideas to make this holiday season truly special for your loved ones. All the mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 20, Nintendo Switch 2. The Nintendo Switch 2 paired with the new Mario Kart is an absolute 10 out of 10 gift. Yeah, it's a bit on the pricier side, but anyone who gets it will be beyond hyped. It comes with 256 gigabytes internal storage and a 7.9-inch LCD touch screen supporting HDR and up to 120 frames per second, making gameplay smooth and visually stunning. Honestly, a great gift idea. Number 19, Shark Disc Pro. If you're looking for a gift for a true power user, someone who films a lot or relies heavily on their phone, then the Charge Disc Pro is great. It's not cheap, but it's an incredible must-have for your device. Here's why. It offers 1 to 2 terabytes of storage and attaches magnetically to the back of your phone using MagSafe. It even has a fan to keep your phone cool and can function as a dongle, letting you connect USB or HDMI cables directly. Number 18. Levitating Plant Pot. This is a levitating plant pot, and honestly, it's probably the coolest thing you can have on your desk. You don't even have to put a plant in it to enjoy it. Here's how it works. You simply plug it in and it starts to spin thanks to small magnets inside. While it's designed as a plant pot, you can actually use it for other things too. I personally put a plant in it because I think it looks the best that way. Number 17, Audio-Technica headphones. It delivers critically acclaimed sound, matching the sonic performance of the original professional studio model, featuring up to 50 hours of battery life on a full charge and 3 hours of use from just a 10-minute rapid charge. Multi-point pairing allows connection to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, while dual microphones with beamforming technology ensure crystal clear calls every time. Number 16, insulated tumblers. If you're looking for a gift for someone who loves anime, especially Luffy, they're going to absolutely love this. This travel tumbler is made from high-quality steel. It's rust-proof and leak-proof, while the food-grade silicone lid adds safety. The multifunctional clear lid lets them sip any way they like, and it even comes with a stainless steel straw and cleaning brush. Number 15, EcoSmart oversized hoodie. Looking for a gift that's practical and easy to love? This fleece hoodie is a winner. It has a classic hood with a matching drawstring for the fit. The relaxed unisex style works for anyone, and the front pocket is great for keeping hands warm or stashing little essentials. With sturdy stitching and ribbed cuffs that hold up wash after wash, it's comfy, durable, and ready to become someone's new favorite hoodie. Number 14, Visa gift card. Visa gift card are actually a really good gift idea because it gives the person you're giving it to total freedom to choose what they want instead of guessing their taste. Unlike store-specific gift cards, the Visa card acts almost like cash but with better security, and you can buy it in physical or digital form depending on how you want to send it. Number 13, New Balance V1 sneaker. If you're looking for a cool gift, these New Balance 997H sneakers are perfect. They've got that classic 90s vibe with a modern twist, super comfy for walking around or just chilling with friends. Breathable mesh keeps feet cool, cushioned soles make every step soft, and they're durable enough to last. Stylish, comfy, and practical. A gift anyone would actually love to wear. Number 12, Apple Watch Series 11. Another great idea for a gift that's actually useful and super cool. It can keep an eye on your blood pressure, heart rate, sleep, and even blood oxygen, so you're basically getting a mini doctor on your wrist. It tracks all kinds of workouts, gives you tips, and comes with a few months of Apple Fitness. Plus, for extra fun, honestly, anyone who gets this is gonna love it. Number 11, Google Nest Thermostat. A smart thermostat is also a super handy gift. It not only helps you save money on energy, but it can warm up your place in the morning so getting out of bed isn't such a struggle. At night, it cools things down so your room is comfy when you crash. The app even gives you tips on how to save more and tweak your schedule to make life easier. Number 10, Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer. This buildable starship set is perfect for kids who love Star Wars. You get a brick version of the Imperial Star Destroyer and can recreate all those epic scenes. Comes with minifigures like Darth Vader, Commander Prodigy, an Imperial Gunner, and an Imperial Navy Trooper. Basically a dream gift for any Star Wars fan. Number 9. Voru Sleeping Headphones. This 2-in-1 Bluetooth headband combines sleep headphones and a sports band for comfortable wire-free music. Its soft, breathable fits various head sizes without pressure. Advanced Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a stable connection, while 40mm drivers deliver rich, balanced audio. The rechargeable battery offers up to 10 hours of playtime and long lifespan. Number 8. OnePlus Pad 3. Another awesome gift idea is the OnePlus Pad 3. If someone's after a solid Android tablet, this one's a winner. It's got a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and up to 12GB of RAM, so it's super fast, handles multitasking like a champ. The massive 12 mAh battery keeps it running all day, and with 80-watt fast charging, you're back to full power in no time. Number 7. Charge Power Bank. Another gift I'd totally recommend is this portable power bank. It's a solid deal at $39 and super easy to use. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, so you can recharge your phone a few times on the go. The best part, it has a retractable USB cable, so no messy cords or forgetting cables. You can plug it into the wall, and there's even an extra USB port for charging something else, like a smartwatch. Number 6. Desk Vacuum Cleaner. This desk vacuum offers upgraded performance designed for daily surface cleaning. It features Type-C charging, a higher capacity battery for longer use, and an acrylic build that adds durability and visual appeal. Added accessories include a precision nozzle and spare filter for extended use. Simple one-button control and cordless handling make it easy for anyone to use at work or home. Number 5. Airmoto Tire Inflator. Another solid idea is the Airmoto portable tire inflator. It is made with top-notch materials and it's suitable for almost any vehicle. You can pump up your tires super fast, usually just a few minutes, and it's accurate up to 120 psi. Plus, the 2000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery charges quickly. Number 4. Vobaga Coffee Mug Warmer. This mug warmer provides safe, convenient coffee or tea heating with a 4-hour auto shutoff and a blinking light to indicate when the plate is hot. Adjustable to 3 temperatures, it keeps drinks at the ideal warmth. Its splash-proof design fits most mugs. The surface is easy to clean, and the size with a 59-inch cord makes it a thoughtful gift. Number 3. Air Compression Massager. This air compression leg massager delivers a personalized experience with 3 massage modes, compression levels, and heat settings. Targeted airbag compression soothes feet, calves, and knees, improving circulation and reducing fatigue. Adjustable straps fit a wide range of leg sizes, while the intuitive hand controller and LED display make operation simple. Number 2. Electric Wine Opener Set. This cordless wine opener combines style and functionality with a stainless steel finish and carbon steel spiral for quick cork removal. Fully rechargeable, it handles up to 60 bottles per charge. The included aerator enriches wine with oxygen for enhanced flavor, while vacuum stoppers preserve freshness for up to 7 days. Number 1. Electric Heating Pads. These heating pads relieve back pain and muscle soreness by boosting circulation, reducing inflammation, and easing stiffness. Heat therapy promotes healing of muscle strains and improves mobility by warming muscles and joints. The user-friendly LED controller offers 6 adjustable heat levels and 30 to 120 minute timers, providing relief. So with this, we are at the end of our today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe.